Okay, so today we're going to do some time, but with time we're going to use verbs and adjectives. And you know how in grammar we're adding the ing to some things? Today we're going to add some ings to different verbs that we use. Do you know what a verb is? Think about it. A verb. Do you know? What do you think it is? Just a guess.
So I have to estimate.
So if I'm running and running is a verb, what am I doing? It's hard. That's okay. A verb is an action word. So that means you're running, you are playing, you're eating. Things that you do
This
are verbs.
Wait, not four.
Okay.
Recess and no math.
So let me give you an example, okay? I have these little time cards here. And I'm just going to pull a random one. Let's see. 6 a.m. So my question is, what were you doing at 6 a.m. yesterday? So you would answer, I was... What were you doing at 6 a.m.? Do you know? I'll give you an example. At 6 a.m., I was getting dressed and getting ready to leave the house to come here.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to show 6 a.m. on our little clock.
Okay.
It's exactly 6 o'clock. Okay, so let me pull it out.
On you?
Huh?
Can I do it on you?
What do you mean?
Can I do it?
Yeah, I'm just giving you an example. So pick one of these. I'm going to spread them out and you just pick one up. Let's see, what is it? 3:30 p.m.
It's a night, so.
Well, look,
What
we
do you
got
do?
out of school at 2:50. So
Yeah.
at around 3:30, what were you doing yesterday?
Do homework.
You were doing homework? Where?
My house.
So you were doing, you were writing, you were thinking, right? Good. Can you show me 3:30 on the clock? It's hard with the little one.
Yeah.
Alright, we're at 2:30.
So I have to do it more.
3:30, and you see how the hour hand is in the middle? Good.
It's not over. That's not almost close to the 4:30.
Right.
Now it's hard.
It's like a half an hour from 4. Alright, I'll do one now. Let's see. 9 a.m. Okay, let's see. At 9 a.m. yesterday, I was helping.
Miss Daniel?
I was helping Miss Daniels, and I was helping you guys during centers. So let me put 9 a.m. on here.
I want to do 155 because I want to get you the one that says that you teach science because you do.
Okay, go ahead and pick another one. Noon. What time is noon?
Like at the afternoon.
Yeah, but what does that mean? If it's noon, what time is it?
It's like the middle of the day.
But what time? Is it 2 o'clock?
No, it's like 2. Yeah, it's 2 o'clock.
It's 12 o'clock. When it's 12 o'clock, it's noon. In the daytime, though. What is it when it's 12 o'clock at night? Do you know what that's called?
No.
Midnight.
Oh, I never knew that.
Cool. So, what were you doing yesterday at noon? Let's look at our schedule. So, let's look here. Is this noon?
Yeah.
Well, kind of. It's 20 minutes. So, from 11:20 to 12:20, where were we?
At math.
At math. So, what were you doing during math yesterday? Tell me about it.
We were learning about, how we're gonna go to different classes
In the ocean?
No.
That's science.
Oh, I thought that
Remember
was
I
math.
taught math yesterday?
Oh, yeah.
What were we doing then?
On math,
Mm-hmm.
we would. Oh yeah, that was science. Because when we were done with that, we had to pack up. I don't really remember.
Okay. Well, we were doing the 4-digit addition problems. Remember, we were doing the the 13 plus 22 plus 32 plus 54.
Yeah.
So, what do you think an ing word would be that we were doing?
We were trying to get the vowel to its word.
Well, we were trying. So we were trying. We were what starts with an L? We were
Learning.
We were learning about what? Addition, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
That was addition.
Yeah, we were adding. Adding is addition. All right, my turn. Let's see. I'm gonna pick this one. 1:30. Yesterday at 1:30. Oh, you guys were at Related Arts. Oh, at 1:30 yesterday, I was walking. Did you hear that? Walking is my verb to a meeting that we had with the other teachers. Yep, and that's 1:30. Good. Okay, your turn. What'd you get?
9:30.
9:30. What were we doing yesterday at 9:30?
9:30 a.m. We were doing grammar, writing.
Yeah, but we were what? Look. Oh, okay. Yeah, we started grammar, and we were writing, right?
Yeah.
What else were you doing? Can you think of any ing words that we were doing?
Reading.
We were reading. We were writing. We were sitting. We were listening. You see how those are all things that we're doing with the ing? Good. All right, can you show me 9:30 on the clock?
9:30.
Good. And you see how it's almost to the 10? It's in the middle. All right. 8:15.
Wait, isn't it 9?
Huh?
Isn't it 9?
Yeah, I'm putting it in line. So yesterday at 8:15, what were we doing? It was race time, so we were reading, and what else was I doing yesterday? I guess I was helping, assisting, walking around the room. Okay. Let me show you 8:30, 9:30, 8:15. That's what it was.
Are we gonna go around the classrooms?
Huh?
Are we gonna go around the classrooms?
Yeah, today at science.
Wait, how come I saw Miss Lapsky going to someone's class?
Yeah, I don't know. That's 8:15. Okay, pick another one.
Okay.
What'd you get?
2:45.
2:45. What were you
PM.
doing yesterday at 2:45 p.m.?
I was. We were going on dismissal.
Oh, it was time for
Yeah,
dismissal?
look, it's the same time.
What else were we doing? If we're ending science, what else were we doing?
We were doing science and learning about what's it called?
So we were learning.
Oh no, that's pretty. That's
It's okay. I think it goes up there, maybe. Oh, okay. I see what you're doing. Can you show me 2:45 on the clock?
Wait, I can't go back.
Good. I'm glad you noticed that.
Wait.
2:45.
Okay.
Good. There's your 2:45. Good job. All right. Let's see. I'll pick this one. 7:45 a.m. What was I doing yesterday at 7:45? I was checking homework. Walking around checking homework. See how checking, I'm doing something, that's a verb. Walking, I'm doing something, that's a verb. Okay? Go ahead. 6 a.m. School starts at 7:55.
I was changing.
You were changing into your clothes? Okay. Anything else at 6 a.m.?
It's kind of hard to pick what clothes I wear every time.
So you were picking which clothes you wanted to wear, and then you were changing? Can you tell me that?
Yeah.
Let me hear it.
I didn't know what shirt to put, and I had a little change because we were going late.
Oh, okay. You didn't know what shirt you wanted to wear, so you had to change, and you were gonna be late?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Let's see.
I was gonna bring that big bowl, in the yellow one.
Yeah?
But my mom says it's too big for my head.
Oh, I like that one. It's cute.
And I like it too.
All right, 11:15. Where were we yesterday at 11:15? Oh,
We forgot to do that one.
Oh, yeah, do it. Go ahead and do it. 6 a.m.
No.
If it's 6 o'clock, where does the minutes go?
And they all going on top of each other.
That's telling me that's 6:30.
You saw that? I was just looking like that.
If that's 6:30, where does this go?
That's the 3 there.
Where's the 0? That's 30. Where's the 0?
Oh.
Yeah, that's the 60 and the 0. Good job.
How come this doesn't match?
I don't know, it's funny. Alright, so yesterday at 11:15 a.m. I was walking to pick you guys up from lunch. So I was walking and I was looking where I was going, and then I was picking you guys up from lunch. Okay? Alright, you go. This will be the last one. So make it a good one. And you gotta tell me all by yourself. Go.
And why? I'm going with this one. Ooh, 10.
10. 10 a.m. or p.m.?
A.M.
Okay, so what were you doing yesterday at 10 a.m.?
Grammar. Like.
Tell me some more. What else were you doing?
We were doing our grammar, and we were writing, and we were learning about ing.
Right.
The words.
So you were doing your writing, you were reading, you were doing and listening, you were sitting, you were hearing, right?
Yeah.
Good. Show me 10 a.m. Wonderful. Good job.